What up, everyone? We are back at SEMA, hanging out with James Ibarra. James, what's up, man? How you doing?
What's up, man?
So we got another build for you. This one's a 2025 Bronco. So tell me, what is it that we got going on?
Well, of course, we got the MTX audio equipment in there, but we got custom carbon fiber flares, carbon fiber rooftop. We're rocking the rough country gear. We got the carbon fiber hood from Carbon Creations. We did the full wrap on it, 37-inch.
I see that, yeah. Man. They looking pretty on this Bronco. So in this car, we did a little bit more off-roady appeal. So we did some PS speakers in the doors, PS speakers up top, and if I'm not mistaken, we added some pods on the very back
of the car, and that's what made the build for sure. Yeah, look, everybody that's coming to the show really loved it.
Okay.
Really, really good stuff. Super clean. Try to keep it like an OEM plus type of deal.
I noticed that. So, you know, usually with a lot of builds, you know, people just go over the top and it's just, they see all these, you know, custom boxes, custom design, and for a lot of people, that's not really functional because they're not going to spend, you know, 5, 6, 7, 10, 30, 50 grand on a build, right? As pretty as it looks, yeah. But yours, I noticed it was something that any Bronco or any off-road user can do. You know, you have like the small enclosure in the back, which we added 10 and 3500. It was simple, but still very effective. I love what you did with it. Most people try and go over the top with SEMA, but you went with a completely different approach that I humbly love and respect, because a lot of people here, they see these crazy off-the-wall things, but can they do it? Is it in their budget?
Yeah.
And you definitely make that possible, man, and I appreciate that.
Yeah, we try to appeal to, you know, the everyday consumer. There's a lot of people that come in here looking for, you know, adding some stuff to their vehicles, whether it's a Bronco or whatever it is, but something that they can be able to just go to any local place, you know, order it,
yeah,
be kind of in and out, still get that audio equipment or whatever they're looking for.
Yeah.
And that's what we try to achieve. You know, we try to stick a little bit mild, wild, but in the middle. It's always good to be right in the middle.
Yeah.
Nothing too over the top, nothing, you know, too beginnerish, but, you know, right in the middle.
Just enough to break the necks and break the eardrums, whatever you got to do, man.
Absolutely.
I love the Bronco. I even love the color and the color scheme of what you did with it. And every year, man, when I come see you and see all these builds and, you know, the other stuff that you have available, you know, out here in the show.
Sure.
And man, I love what you do and I appreciate it.
I appreciate you guys. Shout out to MTX Audio. There you go.
All right, thanks a lot, everyone.
Thank you.
Check out James Ibarra. We can see him at, if you want to follow him, Ibarra Designs.
Yep.
And we'll see you on the next one. Yep.